Okay, guys, now we're at Evansburg checking out their water. It's much higher than at Norristown. So now my husband will just begin to drive slowly. I'm going to try to get as much of this as I can. Look, he has a lead foot. He's still picked up. Slow down, honey.
I'm doing 4 miles an hour. See? See all the debris? Oh, there goes a big tree trunk.
Okay, honey, keep going.
So you might want to look at the debris flowing down. Guys, see a large tree in the water?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Actually, a beaver cut that one down.
This is the best way for me to get
go.
this. There it is, guys.
Yep.
Large logs in the water. I got it. You can keep going.
Why are you so ticky? Trying to do you something.
You do realize I'm filming this fast so people can hear you, so you might want to keep the comments to yourself. Wow, guys, this is nice. Now my husband wants his
Alright, now I
hand
got
in
somebody
the picture.
behind us, so we gotta go.
Okay, we gotta speed up. Someone's behind us. See lead foot here, see how fast we're going?
Boys, buckle up.
The trees are a memory.
Buckled up, Dad.
Okay, good
We've
job.
still been able to get some footage. This is how much it's flooded at Evansburg State Park here. This is one of our local parks we love to take the children to. We come here to Mushroom Hunt, look for deer, play, and now wineberries are in season, so we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to harvest a lot of those. My daughter thinks this is so funny. I don't know why. Okay, guys, I think this might be it. Let me go over to the other side. We got the swamp going on over here. No, you need to have respect. Okay, guys, we're now exiting. I'm gonna have to see if I can do a lot of editing out of this to get the voices out. Okay, we can't see down in there. Now, if my husband doesn't have to go really fast, I'm gonna have to let you guys see how it looks when we were driving into Evansburg. Okay, and we can go. Now, if he doesn't go by too fast, look that way. You can see. You can see. Look at it, guys. All right, guys. That's the end of my video of the rainfall we got today from 2 parks.